Welcome to the CRM vacuum seal installation video. In this video, we will introduce the parts and installation procedure for the vacuum chuck gasket. The process is separated into several steps. You can jump to each part using the timestamp shown here. In addition, each part will be overlaid with a progress bar that will assist in the navigation. Part introduction: 1 V-seal, 1 silicone double-coated adhesive tape, 1 bottle of isopropyl alcohol, a clean towel, an X-Acto blade or sharp scissors, 1 12-inch wafer. Setup and prerequisites. The gasket change uses the two chuck predefined positions, manual and load, in addition to commanding the loading and unloading of a 12-inch slug to the chuck. If you are unfamiliar with this process, please get in touch with the assembly team for assistance. Prepare the CRM machine by opening the door and making sure the machine is ready for use. In the CRM software, open the chuck control interface. Command the chuck to the manual position. Ensure that the chuck is clean of any debris before applying the tape. The tape is a two-sided sticker. It has two semicircular flaps that enable easy removal of the adhesive cover. One is clear, and the second is white. Orient the tape so that the clear side faces the bottom. Use an X-Acto knife or sharp scissors to cut the bottom clear plastic covering of the two-sided tape gasket sticker. Place the sticker on the chuck, making sure the clear side is facing down. The chuck as a guide to ensure that the sticker is aligned correctly. And pull the clear flap a small portion to start exposing the adhesive. Note that the white plastic covering of the sticker is facing up. Take the gasket. It has a thick flat side and sealer side. Place the gasket on top of the sticker with the flat side facing down. Again, verify that the sticker is completely covered by the gasket and is not misaligned to the chuck. Use the interface to command the chuck to the load position and place a slug on the chuck. The operation will end with the slug vacuumed and sucked to the chuck in the load position. Check that the vacuum sensor is reading 80 psi or higher, and command the chuck to the manual position. Take hold of the plastic notch we cut earlier. Peel all the way around until the plastic is fully removed from the bottom of the sticker. Discard the plastic. Command the chuck to the load position and remove the slug. The operation will end with the chuck in the load position. Command the chuck to the manual position. Remove the rubber gasket and set it aside. Using a clean towel, press down on the white of the sticker and apply steady pressure around the whole sticker to ensure that it is glued down. Gently lift the notch on the white sticker. Check to ensure that you are not lifting the tape from the chuck. If you see the tape lifting, press it back down onto the chuck and apply pressure in a back and forth motion until the notch on the white part of the sticker lifts on its own. Once it is separate, cut the white plastic next to the notch and peel a small piece back, leaving it to the side. Take the gasket. Ensure that it is clean of any residue or debris. It is recommended that you clean it by applying some isopropyl alcohol to a clean towel and rubbing the gasket all around. Place the gasket on top of the sticker with the thick flat side facing down. Gently press all around the entire gasket, sitting it into the groove. Use the interface to command the chuck to the load position and place a slug on the chuck. The operation will end with the slug vacuumed and sucked to the chuck in the load position. Check that the vacuum sensor is reading 80 psi or higher, and command the chuck to the manual position. Take hold of the white plastic notch we cut earlier. Peel all the way around until the white plastic is fully removed from the top of the sticker. Discard the plastic. Leave the slog in place for at least 10 minutes while the vacuum seal is still engaged to give the two-sided tape as much time to bond. Command the chuck to the load position and remove the slug. This completes the CRM chuck vacuum seal change installation.